Welcome HFN community. Today is February 28, 2021, the last day of February. And on today's video, we are going to give you all a price prediction for Theta token. It's been a while, so we wanted to come in and update all of our community about where we are seeing the market for Theta going so we can ensure that we are in position to capitalize from the trap. Now, before I go into that, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification. You can follow us on our second YouTube channel if you are interested in our stock price predictions. So now let's dive on into our expectation as to where we're expecting the trap to go. Now the trap is the individual that we termed because he literally lays out traps for us to try to keep us in some very bad positions, and he can capitalize on profit. Now for us, we alleviate that. We try to escape from the traps based off the price bars and the volume. And once you're able to actually distinguish between those, you can actually see what he's thinking and avoid those traps and actually get back at him and take the profit right back. You guys can see it right here. Theta. Last time we did our video for Theta was actually on February 8th, which is right here. And we played the strength into the market in Theta. No issues, right? The market did exactly what we expected it to do. It went higher in price. If anything, 12.09% profitability right there was tagged out, 4 days into our prediction. Now, if you was able to hold to the market in Theta a little while longer, let's say you took it all the way up here to around $3.60, you're up 32%. Excellent job. Kudos to you who was able to call that in Theta. So either you could have had anywhere from the high that came in on the 20th of February of around 44.86% or 12.09. Either way it go, we have taken the brunt of the money from the trap and placed it right back into our account. That is our whole purpose, is to make sure we get the money back. So that is done and that is over. Let's take that away and let's make sure we get in position now on this next go around to make sure we meet the trap where we expect price to be. So just like many other cryptocurrencies in the space today, we're seeing the market overall give us some weakness. Cool, that's no problem with that because this trend in Theta, you guys can see is still holding strong. The market in Theta has shown us numerous times that it's willing to obey this trend. So what do you expect the market to do once we come towards this ascending line again in Theta? We will be under the premise, under the expectation to see the market hold that line, right? That's what we're looking forward to. So we're not there yet. So we can actually still see the market in Theta go lower automatically, at least to $2.80 all the way down to the lows that came in on February the 23rd, which is around $2.65 at least. Okay. And that would be, let's see here, to the low of $2.65. It's about 9% movement to the downside that we still have to go through before Theta even tests this ascending line. Okay. So we have that. Now let's look at this on different time frames real quick, because now we're looking at Theta on the 3-day time frame, and again we're still seeing weakness being seen on a 3-day time frame. What about on the 5-day? 5-day time frame, we're seeing the same thing, that the market in Theta is still weak. Now it is not as weak as some other altcoins in this space today. It is not. So that is a good thing, at least on the side of Theta trying to maintain this ascending line. Now, if we see something totally different on the weekly time frame, then we definitely need to talk, because you can see on the weekly time frame that the market in Theta is still following this trend. So we are still in a pretty good position into the market in Theta. The only issue that many people will have is trying to determine where would be a good entry point, right, on this down move that the market in Theta is currently going through. The best entry point would be right there around the ascending line. Okay, this would be the best entry point right here. around $2.65. This area here also is being maintained as support, $2.80. So we're still looking good in two of those arenas to see this market in Theta maintain its promptness, i.e. holding support. That is very good. But either way it go, we'll have to play the weakness until we see the strength appear. At the moment, there is no strength. So there is no one who should be explaining that this is a buy opportunity yet, because the market hasn't stopped moving lower, not yet. So we're going to continue to play the weakness into the market in Theta. I'm not telling you that the market, though, is going to go a lot lower. We're just simply playing the weakness at this time. We've identified $2.80 as support initially, back down to $2.60. Now, if the overall market maintains the weakness, the third area is going to be around $2.40. So we need to be prepared for that. We need to expect that. So when it occurs, we won't be caught off guard like so many people are caught off guard right now in these cryptocurrencies going down double digits. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this real quick and I'll let you all go. I know that time is very valuable. Got a lot to do. So let's go ahead and put this prediction on, and then I'll give you all the opportunity to tell us your prediction in the market for Theta token. Okay. So let's do this. Switch this back over to the daily time frame, and like I said, everything on this video shows us that the market overall is weak. We have two areas of restriction that we need to be on the lookout for that will go against this prediction, and is around $3.06 all the way up here towards $3.21. Those two areas are restriction. Expect the market to find more sellers at those prices. The market doesn't break above $3.20, then the weakness is going to continue and the market is still weak. Okay. So now let's do this. We already stated that $2.80 could be an area of TP. So we need to skim off a little bit of profit there right when the trap takes the price there. So we need to meet them there. Okay. $2.80. $2.65 is also the area to where we would TP the market, which is about 9%. See, it's not that much difference. We're not that far away from where the market currently is being traded at in Theta token. But just to give us a nice round number, I'm bringing down to 260. Okay, which is about 10.64%. Granted, if the weakness overall continues in the market for the cryptocurrency space, then 260 is not going to be maintained. We're going to come all the way down to 240. Okay, I'm not going to extend the prediction that low, but I just wanted to put that on your radar that is something that we are also seeing occur in the long term. All right, so this is it. We are in position. This is our prediction. Now it's your turn. Leave us a comment in the comment section as to where you're expecting the market in Theta to go. And as always, we appreciate the comments. We appreciate your predictions. We just simply want everyone to have the opportunity to call the markets so that you can ensure you are in position to win. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.